Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to go through all of our completed savings challenges to see how much we finished this month. So not everything is finished for this month, but or not everything was finished or started in this month and finished in this month. But I do have quite a few that are going to certain challenges, so that I'm going to have to keep track of as I go. I just don't even, this is the highest month of completed savings challenges that I've had thus far. I don't even know like how to really comprehend it in a way, if that makes any sense. I'm trying to find something to write on. Here we go. All right, so I might just, because this is gonna take a while. Let's see, I have a pen. I'm not even sure that I want to do this on camera, but we're going to record it just in case I want to post it. I don't know. Okay, that one is health. This was a... I don't really care. Okay, you guys, so this is all of everything. For Halloween Mania, I wanted to share this number. We saved a total of $206, and this is going to go to our debt binder. So I have some categories that everything needs to go to, but we're going to go ahead and count everything up and see how much we have saved in completed savings challenges just for this month. That doesn't mean that I started all of these in this month, so please be aware of that. And I don't foresee next month being this big either. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and we're going to speed it up. Okay, you guys, so this is our final number of cash. I did already put this 332 in the bank for our Christmas. So total, we have finished. That's incredible. That's wild. That's like almost one of my entire paychecks. So we are going to, this will probably be it for this video today, just because it is already pretty long. I will probably be able to speed up some of it, but I'm going to go ahead and pay out all of our sinking funds that need to get paid out, put that and take that money to the bank, and then we're going to go ahead and randomize the rest of that into our different, we're going to do debt binder, our long-term miscellaneous, and I think our game binder. So I'm going to do all of that, and then we'll randomize it, and we'll have another bonus video coming very soon. And as always, I thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.